Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to create a pipeline when you launch the Jenkins. It will be like this. So new item, build history, welcome to Jenkins and all. Okay. Before clicking on a new item, we have to do few changes. We have to go on settings and we have to add JDK path and Maven path. Okay. Just click on settings here. Just click on settings here. So as soon as you click on settings, we have system, tools, plugins, etc. Click on tools. So here you have to add two things. You have to add JDK installations and also Maven settings. Click on add JDK. Okay, give the JDK name. You can give JDK -25. So I have the 25th. So you can see JDK 25. You have to copy this path. Okay. Let me copy. Now let me paste it here and I have to go down. I have to see the Maven. I click on add Maven and also you can give install automatically. Click on save. After that, guys, click on new item. Here you have to give item name. Let's try a different name here. Orange HRM mini project. Click on OK. I am giving the freestyle project. So you have to click on git here. You have to add your repository URL. So a branch is main branch, not the master branch. Click on add step for the build steps here. I want to invoke top level Maven agents. Last but third one, click on that and goals, just type clean test. Click on OK. So our project pipeline has been created. So let me click on run. Just have to give build now. So it will build. The build will be scheduled here. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.